Hey guys, this is Juan here from Online Entrepreneur Now, and today I'm going to teach you how you can create a landing page with Wix. So if you don't know Wix, it's the second largest website builder in the world, and it offers a lot of functionalities. It's really easy to use. It's drag and drop, so you don't need any tech knowledge. And so if you want to create a professional level landing page to get more leads and customers, but you don't want to pay for extra expensive services like lead pages or ClickFunnels, then definitely keep on watching. I'm going to teach you how you can do it step by step in a few minutes. Okay? So the first thing you do, this is a sample website. Okay? In your website, you're going to click on this on menus and pages, okay, and you're going to create a new page, and we're going to call this page landing page. You can call it whatever you want. Okay, let's call it landing page. Then click on the three dots in here, and if you want to hide this page from the menu, okay, in here you can click on this, turn it on. If you don't, you can leave it off. Next, you're going to click on layouts, and you're going to click on no header and no footer. So this is important because we want this landing page to be really focused, and we don't want people getting distracted and going to other places of your website. We want them here for a specific purpose, which is giving away their email address or buying something. Okay, so after that, we're gonna go to SEO. Okay, if you want this page to show in search results, you're gonna leave this on. If you don't, then take it off. And we're gonna set the page's title. Okay, so we can call it free weight loss guide. Okay, and it shows you how it looks on Google. We're gonna give a description to this page. So get a free guide to lose weight. And then we're gonna set the URL. So let's call it free slash guide slash to slash losing dash weight. There we go. You can see how it looks. Okay, you got the title, you got the URL, and you got the description. Okay, and by the way, Wix has a free forever plan. Okay, so you can create this for free. But if you want to create a professional URL, then you're gonna need to buy a premium plan. Okay, you don't want your website URL to look like this. Okay, onlineentrepreneur.wixsite.com/my site/free guide. You want it to look more professional, and also Wix, the free plan, it has ads on the website, so it will look a little bit amateur. I think if you upgrade to a premium plan, it will look more professional. But let's talk about it later. Okay, you can change the social sharing image. Okay, so when people share that page, there will be a preview of that page on social media, for example on Facebook, and you can select the image that it will show. Okay, so enough of that. This is a blank page that we just created. Let's just change the background. Let's make it white, and you can do whatever you want. I just like it like this. Let's add a headline. So let's add that one, stretch it, and let's say free. Let's take it. Let's make it smaller. Free guide reveals how to lose weight fast without giving up your favorite foods. Okay, just an example. Let's make it even smaller. There we go. Let's add some copy. So let's say, no, I don't like this. Let's say this. And let's say in this guide you'll learn let's make bullet points. Okay, so the one thing that you're probably not doing and it's holding you back from losing weight. So let's add a couple more. The secrets that top athletes use to lose weight. Let's add one more. 5 delicious foods that will get you in shape. Okay, so I just made it up, but you can replace that text by whatever you want. Okay, you can create it however you want. I'm just giving it an example for this video. Now we want to add a video or maybe an image. Okay, so if you want to add a video, you go to here and you can embed a YouTube video or upload your own video or use Vimeo, Facebook, whatever. Okay, so let's say I wanted to add a YouTube video explaining what they're gonna get and why they should give me their email address. Okay, and I also can add an image. Okay, so I can add, for example, an ebook. So I've just created this ebook as an example. Took me 2 minutes to do it, and I'm gonna show you how I do it in a few minutes if you want to, if you don't know how to create those. So just a bonus tip. We're gonna add a button, so go to buttons, click on this or whatever you want. Okay, let's make it a bit larger, change the text to send me the ebook. Awesome. Now we're gonna create what is called a Lightbox. Okay, so it's basically a pop-up that once they click on that button, they will get a pop-up where they can input their email address and their name. Okay, so let's go to Lightbox. Okay, where is it? Is it in here? Go to the subscribe section, choose a template. Okay, so let's say I want to choose this one. And let's change the copy. Where should I send it? Send it to. Okay. You can change the design of how it looks, right? And this is the get subscribers form. Okay, it's the native email marketing platform of Wix. So you can use that, or if you're using an external email marketing platform, you can get an embed code and replace it with your embed code, and then you're gonna have your lead box. Okay, so the way you do it is you get the embed code from, let's say, Aweber or whatever you're using. Then you're gonna click on add. You're gonna go to more, and you're going to click on iframe. You're going to click on enter code, and you're going to place your embed code in here. Click apply, and your Lightbox will be in here instead of the Wix platform. Okay, so let's set the triggers. We don't want this to trigger automatically. Okay, there we go. Let's exit the Lightbox. And now we're gonna link this button to the Lightbox. So every time someone clicks on that button, it's gonna pop up the Lightbox. So click on the button, click link. Let's click on Lightbox in here, and let's select subscribe. Okay, click done, and now we're gonna preview it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, it got Wix ads, as I said, in the free version. Then people will click on that button and it will pop up. Okay, it's a previous one I tested. We can change it to the one we just made, so you can see. Let's link it to the other one. I think it's that one. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the one we created right now, and people can come in here and input their email and get their freebie. Okay, so you see, it's really easy to create a landing page. It took me, I don't know, 2 minutes. Okay, and I want to show you also as an extra bonus how you can create this ebook to look like a book. Okay, instead of putting a flat graphic, you can make it look better. Okay, so there is a website called Canva. Okay, Canva is a web design app you can use. Okay, and it's free. It's totally free. They've got a paid plan if you want to add some extra features, but you can also use it for free. Click on create design, and we're gonna write ebook cover. Okay, there we go. So they've got different templates you can use. Okay, so for this example I wrote fitness, and then I saw this one. I said okay, I placed it in here, and then I just replaced this image. Okay, so I went to photos, and they've got free images you can use. I wrote weight loss, and I replaced this image with something else. So let's say this. I drag it and then place it in here. Download it. Let's call it example. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Google, okay, and you're gonna write 3D ebook cover, okay, and you're gonna find probably this website which is called DIY Book Design, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description for you so you don't have to remember it. And it's actually called DIY book covers, okay. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna select a template, okay. So you got different templates in here. So let's say I want this one. Click on next. We're gonna browse the file we just downloaded. We're gonna click on upload. So it's gonna upload it to here. Okay. Click next and click PNG. Then go to the website. Let's go back to the editor. Delete that. Let's click on add image, and we're gonna upload the image in here. I already uploaded it. Click on that. There we go. Okay, very easy, very simple. Took me 2 minutes. Obviously you wanna put a little bit more thought about the design, but super simple. Another way you can do it if you wanna be more professional is go to a website called Fiverr, for example, write down ebook cover, and get a designer to design your ebook cover. Okay, and there are a lot of designers ranging from $5 to more advanced designers, and in this way you're gonna look more professional. Okay, so this is just a bonus tip, and um, yeah, I hope I could help you with building a landing page. It was really simple, and if you want to learn more about Wix's different pricing plans and a general tutorial teaching you how to build a website, you can check out both videos on the screen right now. And if you want to sign up to Wix, then I've got a link in the description. So thank you for watching. And if you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel. If you like that video, then give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, then leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you on the next video, guys. Bye bye.